Hi, ChefD here and welcome to my kitchen. This recipe that we're going to do next is the one that I'm asked for the most. It's a cheddar bacon dip that is just so good. So what I've done here is I've taken some Nutrafarms bacon, I've cooked it off, and then I put it in the food processor and just quickly pulsed it so you have some nice bacon bits. So we're going to add, and it's about 1 cup of bacon bits. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Maybe just a little bit more for good measure. Then we're going to take about 1 cup of finely diced onions. You just want to sear it off. And what we're going to do here is we're going to cook the onions till they're translucent. We'll probably take about 1 to 2 minutes to do because the pan's nice and hot. And you want to add your garlic in with the bacon, with the onions. You don't want to add it in by itself because the pan's too hot and it's going to burn and it's going to give that really bitter flavor. And we're not looking for that. So what I've taken here and just broken up is some old sharp cheddar from Ivanhoe. Now this cheese is blended with 35% cream, so it melts perfectly. You're making mac and cheese, this is the cheese to use. So we're gonna add 1 whole block in. Our cheese is melting quite nicely. So we're gonna take about 1 cup of mascarpone cheese. We're gonna melt this in. And the great thing about this dip is you can make it the day before, warm it back up in your microwave, or even put it back in the pan nice and low and warm it back up for you. And just to thin it out that little bit that we need, we're gonna take some sour cream. Again, about 1 cup of sour cream. Stir that in. You can use regular corn chips, sliced pita, whatever you like. I love using dried apple chips. So you kind of get like that apple pie flavor with putting cheese on it. We dip it in. For this recipe and more, go to Nutrafarms.ca. Till next time.